For small businesses and Mac users looking to manage client relationships, projects, and team collaboration in one place, Daylite CRM offers a tailored, all in one solution. Designed exclusively for Apple devices, Daylite helps teams stay organized, track communications, and close more deals right from their desktop, iPhone, or iPad. In this guide, we'll walk you through the core features of Daylite, how they benefit small teams, and why Daylite remains a trusted CRM choice for Apple-centric business. So for its key features and benefits, first is the contact and relationship management. Daylite allows you to store all your contact data, clients, vendors, leads, and team members in a centralized, searchable database. You can link contacts to emails, meetings, tasks, and projects to keep a full history of interactions. This gains complete visibility into every relationship, ensuring no detail or opportunity fails or falls through the cracks. Another key feature is the project and task management. You can easily manage project timelines, assign tasks, set due dates, and track progress all in one view. You can break large projects into stages and milestones and link them to related contacts or opportunities. This helps keep your entire team aligned and ensures deadlines are met without switching between tools. Another key feature is the email integration with Apple Mail. Daylight integrates seamlessly with Apple Mail, allowing you to link emails directly to contacts, projects, and opportunities. You can create tasks and schedule meetings from within your inbox. This saves time and preserves context, letting you manage your workflow without jumping between platforms. Another key feature is the sales pipeline and opportunities. You can track every deal from the initial lead through to closing with customizable sales pipelines. You can set stages, monitor deal value, and add notes or documents to each opportunity. This improves forecasting, keeps your sales team focused, and helps identify bottlenecks in the sales process. So, why is Daylight a great choice? Daylight is purpose-built for small businesses that rely on Apple products, offering a native Mac OS and iOS experience that's both intuitive and powerful. Its integration with Apple Mail, Calendar, and Contacts makes it feel like a natural extension of the Mac environment. In 2025, Daylight continues to improve with performance updates, better sync speed, and tighter integrations. With no subscription per contact and a focus on project-driven workflows, it's ideal for consultancies, agencies, law firms, and creatives managing long-term client relationships. So if you're a Mac-based business looking for a CRM that fits seamlessly into your Apple's ecosystem, Daylight is a smart choice. With tools for managing contacts, projects, sales, and communications in one place, it reduces the clutter and improves team productivity. So start organizing your business more effectively with Daylight and turn your relationships into results. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.